welcome to this Facet video on using Find and Replace in the MQGem product MQEdit. This video will cover how to find text in a message, how to replace text in a message, and how to replace multiple occurrences of a string in a message. The Find and Replace dialog in MQEdit behaves in much the same way as this type of dialog in other editors. This dialog can be opened in a variety of ways, either by clicking the search icon in the menu along the top of the editor, right-clicking and selecting Find and Replace, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F. Enter the text you want to find into the available space. This must be an ASCII string, however, this will be converted into the code page of each element in the message. Click the Find button to find instances of this text in the message. The results of the search will depend on how the text is currently being displayed. For example, it will search at the detail level you have selected. To replace text, first use the Find button to navigate to the instance in the text you want to replace. Add the text you wish to use to the available space. Much like with Find, the field takes an ASCII string, but will be converted when required. This field can be left blank if you want to delete the found text. Click the Replace button to replace the text under the cursor. If it is successful, it will find the next occurrence of the find text. There are several reasons why a replace may be unsuccessful. If the cursor is not on the find text, if the text is not an editable field, if you are trying to replace with an invalid character, such as a letter in a number field, if the replace text and find text are the same, or if the field can only be changed in expert mode, which is not currently switched on. Finally, if you want to replace all occurrences of a specific string, then use the Replace All button. This will replace all instances of the find text with the replace text throughout the entire message so long as none of them fail. A progress bar is displayed because for long messages, this can take some time. This concludes our video on using Find and Replace in MQEdit. You can see how easy it is to find and replace text in messages. If you have any questions or comments about this video or the product, or would like to be sent a trial license so you can try it out for yourself, please send an email to support@mqgem.com. Thank you for watching.